Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Cooking. Today we will be cooking chicken and broccoli stir fry. And here we go, we already prepared the ingredients. And then put in the sauce ingredients. Put in water in bowl, soy sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch, sesame oil, ground pepper, and then we grated the ginger, and chopped or grated garlic. Then we stir it well. And now cut the broccoli into florets. Next, thickly slice half pounds of a white button mushroom. And then thinly slice medium onion. Slice onion into strips following the natural line of the onion. For our last ingredients, we have a half kilograms of chicken breast, cut into a small bite-sized pieces, heat the pan with medium heat, spread the oil on the pan. Put in the chicken about 2 minutes. And then turn over if chicken changes to the golden brown. Remove to the different dish. And then next put the onion in the pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. Stir it well until the onion a bit tender. Next put in sliced mushroom for a minute. And then put in the broccoli florets. The next step, we put the liquid of the sauce. Stir it well. The last one, put the chicken into the pan. Stir it well. Okay, the chicken, broccoli and the garlic sauce almost done. We put in a serving plate. Put 1 teaspoon of sesame seed on the top of the dish. And here we go. The chicken and broccoli stir fry is already done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.